favorite apps. I use it for adding text on my images, and I haven't done an update on the Fontto app in quite a while, so I wanted to go ahead and share some of the new features that are available with Fontto. So I'm going to tap on Fontto, and I already have a picture showing up, but I'm going to show you how to grab an image from your camera roll. You tap on this little camera button here, and it says that you can either take a photo, which I don't ever do. I use photos that I have already taken, and then you can click on photo album, and you can get photos from your camera roll, or you can get photos from your photo stream. So if you have deleted photos from your camera roll, though you might still be in your photo stream, which you can then go ahead and use. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab that photo that I already had up there. And then you can see here now there's different filters, and I'm going to leave this one alone. I don't want to filter on it at all. But you can also see that there's locked filters, and I am still using the free version of Fontto. I haven't felt the need to go ahead and spend the 99 cents for more filters, and I haven't felt the need to spend the $1.99 for the other feature that I'm going to show you in a bit. So I'm going to click on Done, and then it brings my photo up here. And I'm just going to tap anywhere on the photo, and you can see I can add text or I can add the date. So if I tap on here and I add text, I simply then go ahead and I'm going to type out my text. So I think I'm going to write that Starbucks makes everything better. And a little exclamation point. My little one loves Starbucks. She's a Starbucks little fan. Now you can see here, if I tap on font, I have tons of different fonts to choose from. So I'm going to choose one that I think goes with this. And try this. See how it looks. And click on Done. And you see here, if I hold it, I can move it wherever I want. So I think I'm going to put it there. And then I'm going to tap on Style. Style, which is what brings me to color. So now I've made it white. There's more colors. There's stroke, which means you'll have like an outside border. There's a background that you can add as well. So I'm going to go with text, and I'm going to leave it white. You can also create a color pattern. So you tap there, and you see there's two that I have. If I tap on another one, and I scroll over, it'll add a third color to it. Tap on another color. And let's see, so you can see you can have as many colors up to 5 if I wanted to do it that way. And you can also choose whichever color. So if I chose to, instead of the white, I could go with the light pink, which I think I'm going to go ahead and do. And then you tap on Style. Now you can see here you have spacing. So you can have a bigger space or no space. Put it back down to 0 by tapping on the plus and minus sign. The line, how wide do you want the line? So there's lots of different options with Fontto, which is why it is one of my absolute favorite apps for adding text to your photo. Click back to color, and I'm going to click on Done. I'm going to take a look at it. Alright. So here it is. I'm going to move it over here. I can also make it bigger by tapping on size. So you see here, we can also slide it. Let's move it over. Let's see, I think that if I make it smaller and move it over to here, I need to go text. I want it on the brown table of the background. So you can see, you just have to play around with it until you're quite happy with it. Alright, I think I'm happy with that. I tend to like my fonts on the right. Don't ask me why, it's just an OCD thing of mine. So we're going to go there. And so there's my, I'm not crazy about that font, so I'm going to go back, tap on font, and try a different one. I like that. That's much better to me. So there we go. I'm done with this. I'm going to tap here, and you can see I can save my image, which I'm going to do, and it's automatically going to throw my photo that I just edited in my camera roll. But I also wanted to show you, you can open this in Instagram, you can preview the image, you can open it in other apps, which I have tons of, so I'm going to click on that to show you. So I can open this photo on iPhoto, Printacular, Photo Forge. There's tons of different ones that you can open it to. So I'm done with that. Now the next feature that I wanted to show you with Fontto is I'm going to tap here, and we're going to close this out. And so apologize for that. We're going to go ahead and add image. Cancel. I'm sorry, we're going to click on the camera and we're going to go clean image. Now, here's where I was talking about the other feature that costs. It's $1.99 to unlock all of these different features. But I recently did a layout, and on the layout, I did my journaling straight from Fontto and then printed it with my Canon selfie. So this is how I did it, is I clicked on this plain image here, which I like. And you can choose a color. So I can change the color of it if I want. Click on apply. But that just gives me a plain thing. What I really wanted to show you was the notebook. So the notebook, I'm done. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to tap on the little arrow and I'm going to click on use. So here comes this little notebook paper or line paper, whatever you want to call it. And you're going to click on add text, or you can click on add date. So I'm going to throw the date up here. And right there, and I'm going to change the style so you can actually see the color. I'm going to put it in black so you can see it better. Then I'm going to tap on text, and you want to hit the return button because you want it to start on a new line. And we're going to do tutorial on Fontto. And so you see here, it's done. Now, if I wanted this text separate from the date, I'll show you how you can go ahead and do that. So you're going to click on here, and you're going to erase all of that. You're going to click on done. Then you're going to click on text again. Add text. And then you will have your writing separate. So you see here, now my writing for your journaling would be separate from the date, and you would have more control over where you want your writing. And you can have control over where you want your date. So if I wanted to move my date here, leave the writing there, you can do that. All you would do next is save image. Then that's already in your camera roll. The last thing I'm going to show you here is your settings. So the way you get your date to pop up automatically is by tapping on date. Because if you have it hidden, and then when you go to add text, that date prompt is not going to show up. So if you tap on there, it's there. And you can change the date from it. Now, these are the add-ons that I was telling you about. The Fontto image pack is $1.99. The Fontto filter pack is 99 cents. I'm still with the ad-free version, and that's how I'm going to stay for now. But that's the quick little tutorial on Fontto. And that's it. If you wanted to print, you would click on, if you wanted to print from your selfie, you would go to your Canon IEP app, click on photo albums, camera roll, and say I wanted to print this journaling that I did. You would click on select over here, and you're going to keep that bordered. That way it prints as it's pretty much about a 3.5 by 3.5. So if you print it bordered, that's the size that you're going to get. My selfie is not hooked up right now, so I'm not going to show you that, but you can see that's how you would print it. So that's it for the Fontto and all of the new features in it. This is a tutorial by scrappingwonders.com. Thanks for watching.